Everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick haul from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby had a 50% off all Christmas items, and I actually find out pretty late in the week because I think it was Monday to Friday, or it could have been before that, but it ended on Friday and I went on Friday, so most of the good things were gone. Ow, I hit my knee. So yeah, let's get started. I only have these little items. I just wanted to share really quick with you guys. And remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you are today, thank you very much. And let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you a little bit closer. Hey. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is this, because Luna actually took it off of the little hanger and she put it in her little rabbit. It's the little ugly Christmas sweater, and this has like a llama in it. It's actually an ornament, but she got it for her rabbit, and it was, I believe it was $2.50. The final price, so double that was the actual price. So there's that. Then I was specifically going for the Grinch things, but most of them were gone. I was lucky to find some of them, and ones that they had I didn't like, or they were shipped. And look at this. This is a little Grinch. I'm gonna side it like this so you can get the whole view. This is a, what would you say? This is a little plate, a little whatever. The original price was $14.99, and I got it for $7. It is expensive for my thing, but it is the Grinch and I really wanted it, and it is really cute. Look at his little face. There is that. It's kind of sort of like all my arm, or half of my arm. The next Grinch thing was this plate, or it called them juvenile. It was $9.99 and I got it for $4.99, and I like it because this really resembles the old one and the new Grinch, if you haven't watched it on Netflix. And I want to put this in my kitchen, and of course has the Grinch, Cindy Lou Who, and the little doggy, I can't remember the name right now, and the sideways tree. And it is plastic, like for the actual, what do you call it? The actual kitchen. The next thing is this fedora, or what would you call this? Yeah, feather boa. This was $3.99. That was the price for it. I want to do this because I'm doing it on a for a DIY with the Grinch theme, and this is like the fedora that is fuzzy, not like feathery like other fedora ones are. The next thing is this one, the knee-high socks, and they are the Grinch. This was also 50% off, and it used to be $5.99, so I got it for $2.99, $3. And you can see the Grinch's face in here. Oh, I don't want to rip it, but it's knee-high. Look at his face. And I want to, these are for me. These are knee-high, and their sock size is 9 to 11, but who cares? I wanted to go all the way to my knee. I also got these eyelet kits, and this eyelet kit is totally random. They also had a 50% off or all sewing things, so I got that in discount as well. And I got this Stick and Stickbilities die-cut stickers. The Paper Studio, they were $4.99, and I used my 40% off coupon, so they ended up being $2 and something. They do have different kinds. Well, this is the one they have. They have these two little like body height girls, and then the head. They have a Hello Lovely and Girls Just Wanna Have Fun, the kiss, and the two heads right here. And I'm gonna be making look at the size of them, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna be making keychains, so you might see these later, maybe not. And then the rest of the things are these little mugs. Look at these little mugs. They're so tiny and cute. Now these used to be $2.99, so $3, so $1.50, $1.49 were the ones. And I believe I got 4 reds and 4 greens. Did I open the green one? Oh, no, I got 3. Okay, let's see. Those are the green ones, and these are the red ones. Look at the colors. They're Christmassy colors. You obviously can use this for like espressos for your coffee section, or you can use them for tequila shots. So yeah, I got 2, 4 and 4. 4 greens and 4 red ones. I'm going to be doing something with it, and so I got that. I just wanted to show you my quick Hobby Lobby haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to show you the Grinch things that they had. They also had a cookie jar, which I don't know how much it was, but probably it's expensive. The Grinch or Dr. Seuss things are very expensive. They did have 2 portrait things, but like the half price was still on the 25 range price, and I'm not gonna do that. I'd rather paint them in a dollar canvas, and it'll be way cheaper. But yeah, that is my Hobby Lobby haul. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Click subscribe, click like, click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video, and comment down below what was your favorite item from the items that I got. Is it Luna's Christmas sweater or the Grinch things? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll pop your video.